Welcome to Global Domains International, and congratulations! You are about to join countless thousands of real people in more than 180 countries worldwide who are living their dreams and building their own income for life. Whether you would like to earn an extra $1,000 a month, $1,000 a week, or a long-term six-figure income, you are about to be presented with the tools you'll need to turn that desire into reality. In fact, if you can simply hand someone a copy of this video, or even send them a short email which invites them to view this video online, then you have everything it takes to be successful in this business. You see, in this short video, we will quickly explain how you can leverage the power of duplication to provide a solid and dependable lifelong income for yourself that has the potential to grow with each passing month. In a moment, we'll explain how you can partner today with one of the fastest growing companies on the planet with no investment or risk whatsoever. We will not ask you to invest a single penny, or peso, or euro, yen, or franc. And frankly, those are just some of the reasons why this fantastic income opportunity is spreading like wildfire worldwide. So sit back and relax. What you're about to see and hear has the potential to change your life for the better forever if you want it to. Our company is Global Domains International, or GDI, and we were recently ranked number 37 on Inc. magazine's list of the top 500 fastest growing companies in the USA. Our founders have also been featured in Entrepreneur magazine and the covers of the business sections of major USA newspapers. Some of the world's largest and most respected companies have become our clients. You might recognize some of them. Recently, our internet website activity has surpassed the traffic rankings of some of the world's largest corporate giants, including AT&T, Visa, and General Electric, as rated by the premier website traffic ranking service, Alexa.com. What does all this mean to you? It means that you have the opportunity to become partners with a well-founded, well-grounded, money-generating company that will change your life forever. Founded in 1999, Global Domains International was granted permission by the United States Department of Commerce to become the exclusive worldwide registry for all .ws website domain names registered on planet Earth. So what is a domain name? It's quite simple, really. A domain name is a human-readable website address. Since computers talk to each other with numbers only, and we humans are much more comfortable using words than numbers when it comes to remembering addresses, the founders of the internet many years ago wisely decided to set up something called the domain name system, which associates every numerical website address with an easy-to-remember name. Instead of having to memorize a long number like this, it's much easier to remember a name such as yahoo.com or google.com to access a website, isn't it? Currently, most of the active domain names worldwide are .com. Originally intended to serve the commercial markets, .com stands for commercial. Today, there's a new alternative, which is appropriate for all types of websites, .ws. WS stands for website, and over the next few years, you will see more and more .ws website addresses. Now, even though our company has been tremendously successful for 6 years, and we have thousands of customers in every country with internet access, ask yourself a question. Until watching this video, had you heard of Global Domains International? Odds are that you hadn't. That's because our global market penetration is still less than 1%. So your timing could not possibly be better. If you have already heard of GDI and .ws, then don't wait another day. Start today for free and ride the biggest wave the internet has ever seen. You are here at the beginning of what is promising to be a worldwide phenomenon. Today, there are nearly 1 billion people with online access, and globally, that number is increasing by tens of thousands per day. In the next decade, industry experts are predicting that there will be more than 500 million domain names and websites active globally. The numbers are truly staggering, and as you will see, the potential is unlimited for you to earn a fantastic lifelong income by joining us. This is an income that can come to you for years and grow with each passing month. Okay, now let's review our product and then talk about how you can begin building your income for life, starting today with no investment whatsoever. To quickly explain our fantastic product, I'd like to introduce you to a member of our representative and customer relations team, Gina Garcia.
Thanks, Brandon. Hi there. My name is Gina, and I'd like to give you a quick tour of GDI's website services package. Before I begin, I'd like you to know that we're offering our entire suite of services to everyone worldwide free of charge for a solid 7 days. That's right, you can use all of our services and even begin building your own income for life immediately without investing any money whatsoever. Why are we doing this? Simple. We've found that by letting everyone try our services risk-free, that more than 85% of those trial users become paid customers. After trying our services for 7 days, if you happen to be one of those 85%, you will be billed only $10 per month. Also, there are no contracts or commitments. You can stop your service at any time. So as you can see, this is truly a risk-free opportunity to try out our services and the business program that has become the buzz of the internet in nearly 200 countries worldwide. Your website package will be incredibly easy for you to use. Children, adults, and senior citizens, families and businesses all over the world now have a permanent home on the internet. It all starts with choosing your very own .ws website domain name. In order to choose your own domain name, we'll ask you to go to a computer with internet access and set up your free account with Global Domains International, which takes about 60 seconds to complete. Then you can instantly start searching for your domain name. You'll know right away if it's available. You can choose to use your name or anything else you're interested in as your domain name. On the domain name search page is a link you can click on to see the last 20 .ws domain names registered to give you some ideas. Once you have your domain chosen, you'll be taken to the final page, which is Payment Setup. Now, one thing you must understand is that even though we collect your payment information, we absolutely will not charge you any money if you decide to cancel your services within 7 days. That gives you a full week or a total of 168 hours to try everything out and decide if you'd like to proceed as a paid customer or not. We do this so our system can be automatic, and we can continue to serve the more than 85% of the people who try our services, love them, and decide that they want to stay with us. Once again, you will not be charged if you decide not to continue at any point during your 7-day trial. This entire process will take you as little as 2 minutes if you know which domain you want and it's available. Once you have your account and your domain name, you can immediately start to use the supporting services, which are twofold. The first thing you will want to do is log in and set up your email. With your website package, you will have the ability to configure many email boxes, which you can access either via webmail from any computer with internet access, like Yahoo or Hotmail offer, or you can choose to access your email using your existing email program on your main computer. For you techie types out there, yes, we support both of the main email protocols, which are POP and IMAP. The simplest way, though, is to just use our easy web interface. You can set up several email addresses on your new domain name, or you can even set your account to forward anything at your new domain name to an existing email account. The interface is very easy to use, and as you can see, it offers complete flexibility. You can even set up other email accounts for friends or family, and they will have their own passwords for their security and privacy, but you control if that email address is active or not. The beauty of having your own domain name and email addresses using that domain is that no matter where you move or what internet access provider you are using at the time, you will have a permanent email address or several email addresses that you own. No one can ever take them away from you or try to change them. Remember, this is your internet address for life and you have total control. Okay, so once you have your email set up, the next thing you will want to do is set up your new website. If this sounds different,